Hello guys, review smartphone Oscal C60. This version 4GB memory and 32GB internal memory. Okay, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, and micro USB cable. That's all completion. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED. On the front side display 6.5 inch. On this side power cable and case. Upside headphones jack, downside types micro USB port and microphone. We can open the cover. Under the cover we have battery 4780 mAh, 2 slot for nano SIM card and slot for micro SD card for memory. Okay. Turn on device. We have HD display, IPS HD display. Look, Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. We have Android 11. MediaTek MT6761V. This CPU and GPU PowerVR. Look results. Single core and multi-core score results. Close this. Look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this. And run GTA San Andreas, the mining game. Okay, game works good on the medium graphic level. Close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.